Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do another patriotic wreath using just ribbons and burlap. And these are the supplies I'm using. I'm going to be using 4 different types of ribbon and they're around the same color scheme. I'm going to get started by prepping my ribbon, so I'm going to cut them each at 10 inches. I know I need 12 pieces of each ribbon because I want to put 2 bundles on each section of the Dollar Tree frame. So here I'm going to dovetail the ends of each and every ribbon. I want to make sure I have everything prepped and ready to go to make my bundles. Now I'm going to use some pipe cleaners. So what I'm going to do is I don't want to use a whole pipe cleaner per bundle. I'm going to fold it on itself and cut it in the middle. So now I have my pipe cleaners prepped and ready to go. These are the bundles we're going to make. And I'm using my 4 different types of ribbon. They're already dovetailed and ready to go. And I'm just going to stack it on top of each other, place it down on the mat, walk my fingers down the middle, and twist tie it off with a pipe cleaner. The only thing I'm focused on right now is to just get the pipe cleaner on. I'm going to fan them out later when I add it to the wreath. I am stacking them the same each time. I just go right down the line. You could switch it up. I just decided to do it this way. Now that I have all my bundles made, I'm going to get them out of my way and work on my wreath frame. I like to start with a clean edge, so I'm just going to trim this off with my rotary cutter. To get started, I'm going to gather this up and I'm going to zip tie it to the frame. I like to find a crossbar to zip tie it to. Okay, I'm going to take the zip tie to the back and zip tie it down. Then I'm going to trim it off. I did not measure my poofs, but I am doing 1 poof in each section of this frame. And the reason why I didn't really measure is because I know it's just the base. The focus is going to be on the ribbons. I purchased my frame from the Dollar Tree. It's a 12-inch frame. Also, all of my ribbons were the 2.5-inch ribbons. I will put all the supplies I used in the description box. Now I'm just going to make my way all the way around the frame. This was such an easy wreath to put together, and it was pretty affordable. I mean, you could get all your ribbons from the Dollar Tree. The burlap, I don't think they have burlap. Mine doesn't anyway. You can get that from Hobby Lobby or Walmart. And it's just pipe cleaners, the frame, and ribbons, and burlap. It's an easy beginner wreath. Okay, now that I have the burlap on, I'm going to fan out my poofs. I'm just kind of fluffing them up. Now it's time to add the bundles. I'm feeding the pipe cleaners through the burlap. It's very forgiving, so I'm going to put 2 bundles in each section of my wreath. Once I get them on, I'm going to fan the ribbons out. You don't have to do this. You could go ahead and just add the bundles and then fan it later, but I chose to just fan out my ribbons as I'm going. Friends, I really hope you try this. This is such an easy wreath to do. And if you make one, put the picture down in the description box because I would love to see it. If you have any questions, you can leave your question down in the comment section. So here I'm just putting my bundles on, fanning them out as I go until I make my way all the way around the wreath. Once I have all my bundles on, I do go to the back of the wreath and I kind of push the pipe cleaners back down into the wreath. I was trying to decide if I wanted to add a sign to this wreath, but nothing looked right and I thought it just looked perfect just as is. Okay, friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.